Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then today guys, we're going to check the mic of our GoPro Hero 7 because and I'm going to search the internet that it shows that the built-in microphone of our GoPro Hero 7 is the best one for the GoPro Hero 7 release as of this year. So we're going to check this GoPro Hero 7 mic if it's true, yeah. And right now guys, we are shooting in 30 frame rate per second with linear mode, and I don't know if how can you hear the sound and if the sound is very clear or maybe the sound is not really clear. But right now we are using the built-in microphone of our GoPro Hero 7. So let's try to put the external mic, and we're going to change the settings on, because guys, GoPro Hero 7 has two settings that you can set if you are using an external mic. I mean guys, there's a bunch of settings that you can use if you are using an external mic on your GoPro Hero 7. And if you're also guys familiar with two kinds of microphone that we are using, is, you know, they call this unpowered mic and powered mic. Powered mic has a battery on it, and unpowered mic has no battery, and you can put it directly on your microphone output, so that's why you can use it. The first setting is standard mic settings. So, and there is also a standard mic setting plus, and there's a plus after the mic, you know. And so let's go try this one. So as of now guys, we're going to try here inside of our house. So let's see the difference. And after this, you know, testing inside of our house, let's go outside. So that's why we can check if you know, which is the better one, the microphone standard mic or the standard mic plus. Okay, so let's go. Right now guys, our setting is standard mic without plus, and with this external mic, we are using external mic already. So mic test, hello. So what is the sound and how you can hear the sound, is clear or not? So please comment below. Okay, so let's try to change the settings on the standard mic plus. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, here we go. This is the standard mic plus settings with the external mic. So what is the sound quality right now? So maybe you can distinguish what is the best quality for the mic settings, the standard one or the standard mic plus. So let's go guys, and after this guys, we're going to go outside, so that's why we can check the mic if you know, what is the best one for a vlogging setup on our YouTube channel. So let's go. Hi guys, today is I think it's 11 p.m. already. So we're here outside, and we are just testing our GoPro Hero 7 with this built-in microphone. So mic test, and mic test. And what you hear the sound is like very clear, or like you can hear the sounds of the crickets, or you know, look at that. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now because it's already 11 p.m. so there's no, you know, there's no one is walking around already because it's sleeping time already. So this is the test of my built-in microphone on my GoPro Hero 7. So we're going to change the settings, and we're going to put the external mic, so that's why we can check the standard mic settings and then the standard mic plus settings. Okay. This is the standard mic settings with our external mic. So what is the best quality, I think? And mic test, hello. Mic test, hello. Sound check. Okay, sound check. This is the external mic with the standard mic settings. Standard mic settings plus, and with external microphone. Okay, standard mic plus with external mic settings. Okay, mic test, hello. Mic test, standard mic plus, hello. GoPro Hero 7. Okay, let's go home and let's try to upload this. Okay.